AI said to hit cancel. Cancel. Okay, now if it'll let us open it, it said to take everything out.
Okay, let's do it. Be prepared, because it's gonna be
Oh yeah, because we already did this once. It got suds all over the floor.
It's gonna be a total mess.
Well, can't be worse than last time.
Oh, yeah. Kick your feet. It's all fine. Yeah.
Now AI says to take out all the clothes.
Oh, there's a lot of clothes in here.
I know there are. That's the problem. Well, don't put them in the bucket, sweetie. Just put them on the floor on the towels.
Oh, that's gonna
Put them on the towels. Just put them on the towels. I'll take them out in the garage. Okay.
Holy shit.
Oh, don't say that bad word. Now it says to do the rinse and spin cycle again.
We can't
Just wait. I'll.
leave this.
I will clean it up in a second. Let's see if it works. Okay, hasn't shut down yet. That's 7 minutes. Hopefully we don't have more suds. Since it overflowed 3 times. See if AI can get us out of this mess. We'll just, sit and drink our wine while we watch the timer. The spinning.
Oh.
No.
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 Don't stop.
No.
Come on, baby.
Go. I just had the glass.
I thought we had some. She's ready to launch.
Woohoo!
Let's see what she can do. 5 minutes. Bring it down. Come on, baby.
Go. Let's go.
It's spinning.
I know it is.
No, it's spinning. We're good.
ChatGPT saved us.
I didn't really have all this fucking laundry anymore.
What are you guys
I didn't
doing?
really have a towel.
This is how we roll. We roll this way. Woo!
You were with me when I got this light. Remember that?
I know, it's very bright.
You put a dimmer on that.
Very bright.
And now you love it.
It's a little too bright.
Right? That's the dark one.
Woohoo! Why does it say 11 minutes though?
Well, because we can start a new cycle. If you like. We're going to go for the other option now.
Even though we're gonna do all those?
We're not doing those now. We're going to clean the washer first.
Okay, let's do it.
No soap, no nothing. No bullshit, freaking natural path. Happiness. Sal Suds is done. Just saying.
It was a mistake.
Better call Sal.
It spilled.